think we can all agree whatever's going on here is not acceptable. Vietnam, I'm absolutely loving my time in Vietnam, but the public transport. My ticket on the boat from Phan Viet to Phu Quoc was cancelled one day before because they'd overbooked the boat. My bus ride to Ho Chi Minh City this morning has been cancelled because they couldn't find enough customers. I might not look too annoyed, I'm good at that, but I am, because I've had to resolve this situation. I had to book another hotel here in Mui Ne because this hotel is fully booked. A quick change of plan. The lovely lady that owns this hotel has allowed me to late checkout at 3 o'clock, which of course on a morning that hasn't been so smooth sailing, that's gone down a treat. Not great, is it? You can trust me on this. It's not about to get any better. Just look. This is just not the Southeast Asia you want to see, is it? By no means an environmental activist. I just know my right from wrong. That's pretty wrong. And I think right there, we found the problem. I actually made headline news while I was in Malaysia when I was in Kota Kinabalu because the state of the ocean off of the coast in Sabah was so full of litter. I posted on TikTok, it went pretty viral. I ended up on the TV, I ended up in the newspaper. It was amazing. Now, if anything like that can happen here, that would be fantastic. I don't know if it will, I really don't think it will. I'm not in a touristy spot at all, but this here, I mean, you've just seen that guy chucking the rubbish on the floor. What they do is they come along, they drop all their rubbish, they'll then burn it after dark, and then the tide will come in, and you know exactly what happens. And it's a repeated process, on and on. If we come down here, you can see the remnants of all the garbage, all the litter that's been happening around here. As it goes out in the sea and then it gets brought back in, and that's what's happening here. Side of Southeast Asia you wouldn't usually see on TikTok. It is, yeah, not great, is it? Of course, not trying to be too controversial, just if I can spread like a positive message on my small platform that I'm building here, then I'm going to do that. You've got waste, you've got litter, put it in the bin, because this is just, let's just say it's a good job Maya Bay and the other touristy beaches across Thailand, Vietnam and all over Asia don't look like this. I'm gonna go get some lunch at some point as well. I'm thinking a traditional Vietnamese dish, bun do. I've probably just said that all wrong. You know what I'm like. So this dish is a bun do. Yeah, bun do, it says it down there. And I guess it's just a mixture of noodles, meat, some other bits and pieces, vegetables. It's nice. Vietnam in December. To be honest, the weather is really weathering today, as you can see. Not very nice, but the beach is just here. This beach is so much nicer than the one we were at earlier, as you can tell. Yes, this is the more touristy area of Mui Ne. Got like a nice big hotel up here with a pool, an infinity pool, and yeah, I prefer it here. I like it here, and I'm glad because of course today I was supposed to be heading back to Ho Chi Minh City. Of course, with the bus getting cancelled, I've ended up staying in Mui Ne for a little bit more time than I'd originally bargained for. So yeah, obviously with this weather, with the rain, I'm going to head back to the hotel to get some cash on the way out of the ATM, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in tomorrow's video.